Test, test, 1, 2, 3. All right, let's see. Ooh, I'm live. Okay. All right, I think that's good. I'll turn up my audio a little bit. Hopefully that's good. All right, let's get the chat fixed. Oops. I'm glad I have a water bottle now. All right. Colin Hughes. Hey, what's up? I remember you. Actually, I remember a lot of my subscribers. It's only been like a week. But I plan on doing a lot of more videos now, but less than I used to. Planning for 3 videos a week and 1 live stream a week. Do you guys have any music recommendations? Because I think my live streams have been demonetized the past few times, even though I tried looking for non-copyright music, so I might as well just play good music or whatever. Ramjan, Ramjan Ahmed. Sorry, I probably butchered your name, but hi, what's up? Colin Hughes, I need a beer. For me, it's 8:13 a.m. Howdy, folks. Richard Burke, E Park, hi, hello. Oh, this is not even cold. I got it like a sparkling strawberry drink. It's not cold whatsoever. Okay, let's see. Okay, cool. My chat looks like it's working. All my stuff seems to be good. Yeah, good to go. I'm going to move this over here for the chat. Rough week for all of us. Yeah, CRO is down, or Crow, I guess, is down to 12 cents. But, you know, there's so much FUD actually going around CRO or Crow. It's crazy. Because, you know, just, 1 month ago, around around this time 1 month ago, it was at 25 cents. Like the past few days, whatever, it was April 15th, 25 cents. Now it's down to 12. That's an insane drop. But, I mean, look, this is it against Bitcoin. Ever since February 28th, it's gone up and then down and averaging around. Like, it's doing exactly what Bitcoin's doing, right? I mean, we can look at Bitcoin and look at the percentages, right? 30 days, 30%. 30 days, 40%, right? And that makes sense. That means it's following Bitcoin. Yes, it's 10% more, but that's what altcoins do. Altcoins always dip harder usually, like for the most part, like 80 to 90% of the time. That's just normal. And plus, we also have to realize it did gain against Bitcoin for a bit as well. So even though it's down 10% more, it probably gained a bit more at one point as well. Yeah, I don't even have any music on. Just put something on. Man, I keep forgetting I have a water bottle right in front of me because the mic's right in front of my face, so I can't see. Reggae mix, Brazilian reggae mix music. Do you guys actually like that? Brazilian reggae mix. I don't know if I should be playing this. Heavy metal? I don't know, man. It's so early for me. When CDC US exchange, says John Emmy or M. Chris Marzulek said by the end of 2021 we should see it. But he said as soon as practical as well. In the December AMA, he said sometime in 2021, and that was just last year, the end of last year. But then now he said as soon as practical. That's the most recent one. So I'm assuming by the end of this year. Stephen Cook. Ola ¿Cómo está? Hello. Yeah, the whole market cap or the whole market is down 10% right now. The other day, like on Wednesday or something, it was down like 20%. Or 30 or something. It was insane. By the way, guys, this is a good buying time, whether it's Crow or Bitcoin or whatever. I actually bought a bunch more Bitcoin recently because my Bitcoin stack's kind of small and I'm trying to build it up. Look at that dip. It'll, I'm hoping plan B is right because Bitcoin goes down, usually the whole market does. So we need Bitcoin to succeed for altcoins to skyrocket, usually. 12 cents is a great price to load up more. Yeah, exactly. So true. Ooh, why is it going back down? Well, it's still at over $4, so it's fine. I've been investing in actually I'll show you guys right now, jet fuel finance. I plan on making a video about this maybe this week. Hey guys, give me some video ideas. Let me write down some video ideas or what I'm going to upload this week. Let's see. So, Monday crypto.com welcome package video. Wednesday, Friday. I don't know in what order, but swipe debit cards explanation review. I'll find a better way to word that for a title. I need some more XRP. Because Swipe doesn't have their debit cards anymore. It's crazy. Swipe actually sent me an email telling me about them canceling my card. Did someone in the live stream say anything about? No, not yet. No one said anything about SXP. But in my YouTube comments recently, someone did ask about it. Or I think Telegram. Ooh, that reminds me. I got to tell everyone I'm live. Did you buy the Crow dip? No, I'm actually buying Bitcoin right now because I have a good amount of Crow. Oh, 1 second. You guys have any questions or anything? Oh, what was my other video? I had a 30. Oh, yeah. Jet fuel finance. All right. Posted on my Instagram story. Posted on my YouTube community page. Posted in my Telegram group. Okay, we're good to go. Crow lost less than other coins. That's a strong point. Yeah. It's what? It's actually not doing too bad. I mean, it does suck. It's under 12 cents. That sucks, but the markets will soon recover and it'll go back up. Hello, you got the email to redeem your merchandise package. When I click on the redeem button, I get an error of the page that can't be found. So, be careful it's not a scam, because I don't exactly know what you're talking about. How I did my welcome package is I got an email asking me for my sizes, and I submitted my sizes to them, and then I just waited until they sent it to me. So there's nothing I literally clicked to like redeem it, as far as I remember. Directed to Google Drive and there's an error. Okay, yeah, Google Drive, that would make sense. Make sure you have a Google Drive account, or Gmail account, whatever, because that's where you should be doing your sizes. And also, you only get a welcome package if you're an icy white, rose gold, or obsidian black. So if you're not any of those and you got that email, then it's definitely a scam. By the way, I know I plan to make a video talking about it, and I also plan to make a video talking about Swipe, their VIP package comparison. But I can touch on the subject a bit. Let's see. Swipe package. I'll just say now that Swipe gave so much more in their package, and their value of how much money it costed of all those items combined together was like $100 to $200 more than Crypto.com's. I actually liked Swipe's box a lot more because of how much more stuff they had. Oh, I forgot they gave that part too. The cooling towel. Wow, Swipe really gave a ton of stuff. It just sucks that Swipe had really good debit cards. They had a really good elite VIP package compared to Crypto.com. Like, I think even their debit cards at one point were better. I mean, yeah, you didn't get interest on them unless you staked for the slate. Then you did get quite a bit of high interest, like 20% or something, because it was on chain. But yeah, I mean, Crypto.com's is nice. It really is. Like, Crypto.com has good stuff, like in theirs. Like, but Swipe just went all out. You can't get it anymore though. I got pretty lucky. This is all the stuff I got from Swipe. Waiting for Draco 2. I'm going to go to that intergalactic roadmap. Draco 2 is actually July 14th from what I remember. Oh, that's what I'm doing for a YouTube video. I'll do this Wednesday. Let's see. Crypto.com news. Maybe, Friday I'll do the Swipe debit card explanation. And then next Monday I'll do jet fuel finance. There we go. But I'm going to tell you guys now while I'm on stream about jet fuel finance a bit. Just because, what if the price explodes by then? And I think it's a good buying opportunity right now. Not financial advice, but that sounds good. Has Crow gained value with respect to other altcoins? I feel like there should be a website that can dictate that. I mean, I guess we can just look at the 24-hour price, right? Let's see. Crow is like down at 50. 37. Okay. 8%. So Bitcoin SV is down more. Shiba Inu is down more. Okay, this one's down more. Down more, down more, down more. A lot of these are actually down a lot more in the past 24 hours. Even 7 days actually. Because the past 7 days, 28%. This is down 50%, 40%, 60%, 40%, 30%, 50. So Bitcoin's down 25%. Crow's down 28%. See, it's like right in line with Bitcoin. Oh, you got the Icy White Groovestein? That's awesome. If you don't mind me asking, when did you stake for it? Because there was many different opportunities to be staking for it. At one point, I think it costed like, what was it? Like it was like a lot of money it costed at one point. But that was also really cheap at one point. And then there was like an average. Because I remember I staked for mine for $18,000 dollars worth of Crow. But at one point you could have staked $8,000 for it, 8 to 10,000 for it. You know, at one point you could have staked for an Icy White and got 1 Bitcoin with 18,000 US dollars. You know, that made me kind of upset when Crow dropped in value, and it was 100,000 Crow to stake. So obviously, if Crow's value goes down, then you need less Crow to stake for it. But not anymore. That's not how it works anymore, which is good because you know that they had a lot of issues when they did it that way. It created a lot of FUD, a lot more FUD than needed to be. 12,000, yeah. See, that's not bad. I got mine for 18,000, and it sucks because I could have had 1 Bitcoin and the Icy White, but instead I just got the Icy White. I think I was just impatient because I only had 18,000 in crypto. I had no more. That was it, and I didn't want to miss out because Crow was going up, and it actually topped out around there back in September. But I was like, even if it goes up 1 penny or 2 pennies, then I'll be out $1,000 to $2,000. Like I won't have that extra money to stake for it. And then if it never goes back down, then I just missed out. See, I was right here. That's when I staked for it. I literally staked for it this day, and then boop. $25,000 Crow for the Royal Indigo. Nice. Right now, that if you bought it this price, that'd be 3,000 US dollars. That's not bad. It's like you got $1,000 cheaper. You know what's annoying? They removed the comparison thing right here. It used to be here on the computer. I think on phones it wasn't there, but yeah. They still have the video thing right there, but I don't know why they removed this thing. I think because people thought you could just grab the obsidian. Like, oh, I want to get the obsidian, but I want to do the non-stake. I think that's what they were thinking. Also, it sucks that Swipe removed their debit cards because they were pretty good debit cards, had different perks and everything. And I think that's what made Crypto.com up these percentages, 8% and 5%. It used to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So Obsidian was 5%. So Icy White Rose Gold is now getting what Obsidian used to get, and Obsidian is getting 3% higher than what it used to get, which equaled out to what the Slate was getting. And I think they did that to make sure that Swipe didn't beat them or whatever, like just to kind of give them a bit more of an edge or whatever. And I actually used my Swipe debit card to basically pay for my girlfriend's family's like Netflix, Spotify, Amazon, because I had to steal. But they canceled my card, so I just told them. It was funny. My girlfriend's sister asked if I was still paying for their Netflix, so I guess it probably didn't go through. And I was like, oh, no, I can't anymore because I don't get that reimbursed anymore because they got rid of their debit cards. I would have still been doing it if they didn't get rid of it. But yeah, they got rid of the debit card. I was FOMOing around spring and summer. I bought MCO back then also. Yeah, I actually bought MCO. Like, I bought MCO for the Ruby Red actually. And I don't know, I was like, had like this obsession with the card because I've never heard of like a crypto debit card before Crypto.com. And once I heard about them, I was like, whoa, this is so like freaking cool or whatever. And I was like, this is so cool. And so I was like, okay, I'm going to go for the Ruby Red because that was what I could afford at the time. And I just wanted to test around with it and stuff, especially if you're going to lock it up. And I thought it was so cool to get like 2% in crypto and using a crypto debit card and everything and spending crypto on it and all that. And for the longest time, I didn't know how to use the fiat wallet. Like I really wanted to deposit US dollars into it so I didn't have to buy and sell crypto because all the fees and taxes and all that. But finally figured it out like 6 months down the road or whatever. I think it was once I got my IC White, I finally figured it out. Because I was like, well, I'm getting 5%. I should probably take advantage of that. About four pence. And then, yeah, they did the MCO to CRO swap, which actually, when they announced the MCO to CRO swap, I wanted to buy a lot more CRO. Because I was like, well, if everyone's going to be forced to move to CRO, it's going to increase the price of CRO even more. Especially if they're getting a bonus, like a 20% bonus, you know. You staked 19,500 for the Royal Indigo? Wait. Okay, you must mean in Crow. 19,500. Oh, 2,363 though. Well, that's not bad. Oh, whoa. Wings is at $30. That's crazy. All right, maybe I should talk about jet fuel finance for a bit. So if any of you are watching and you think I literally only do crypto.com stuff, this part's for you if you want to hear about altcoins because I'm not fully crypto.com. So this is jet fuel finance. Let me just go to the... All right. Let me fix it up. All right. Let me log in really quick. Maybe that'll work. I really don't know. Okay, it's because I don't... Yeah, I'm not on the Binance Smart Chain wallet. Well, I switched it to Binance Smart Chain. You know, I don't use a MetaMask that much. I actually use SafePal wallet. Wait, why don't I just do that? I can use my emulator. I can create a new SafePal wallet and go on there. Called BlueStacks. Okay. Yeah, let me go on BlueStacks and go into SafePal, create a new wallet, and show you guys. At the moment, I'm trying to accumulate Bitcoin, and one day I will buy some stable coins to get the 12% plus 2% Crow earnings. You know, I was actually doing that for stable coins. I want to accumulate a lot more stable coins. But yeah, right now I mainly have, I don't know, I have certain goals and plans with my crypto as of right now. But yeah, I want to have a certain amount of money in my savings in my bank account in case I need instant access to money and without paying any taxes on selling crypto or anything like that. And then let's do software wallet. But then I also want to own a lot of USD coin. I know you guys can see my password, but it's a new account. You guys can log in if you want. Okay, that was... Let's just do Brug Gaming. Whatever that is. Both digits and letters. Brug Gaming 1. There. Confirm your pattern. 4. There. Like an L. Create wallet. That was a long password. Wallet name, Kahoobb. Let's just do that. We'll back up the seed phrase later. All right. Time to go to Jet Fuel Finance. Oh, wait. It changed the chain, though. What's your price prediction for Crow in the next 5 years? I don't know. I've been saying $1 to $2 by the end of the year, but you know, Bitcoin. I think Bitcoin has to do what everyone's saying for it to do. Like, So everyone's saying Bitcoin is going to go to 288,000, right? It might go a bit lower. It might go to 200,000, 250,000 or whatever. But I think if Bitcoin goes high enough, I think Crow can also go high enough. I think Crow can also break away from Bitcoin soon enough. All right, why is this not working? Perla, hi Kahoobb, missed you too. You should use Polygon Network instead of Binance Smart Chain. Why is that? Give me a reason. Binance Smart Chain has very bullish projects like Jet Fuel Finance. When the alt season ends, does Crow drop 80 to 90% like other alts? Well, I mean, I can't tell you for sure, but think about the fundamentals, right? If people are locking it up for their debit cards, why would you unstake it, right? I think crypto debit cards are really bullish during bear seasons. So it's really bullish in a bearish market because you can accumulate a lot of crypto while it's down with the debit card. Like if you have 3% cash back in crypto and you can convert it to other cryptos, or the 10% interest and all that, it'll give you a good idea of how Crow mainnet will work. Oh, that's why I should use Polygon. Yeah, same. I am a European citizen and I plan to move to Portugal someday. There's 0% taxes on crypto gains and the weather is nice too. Yeah, it'd be nice to move somewhere where there's 0%. All right, I don't know what's going on with SafePal right now. If Crow can roll out smart contracts, they'll reach $1 to $2 without the help of Bitcoin. Yeah, which they're doing that. I think July 14th is maybe July 14th. I don't know. Because they have the interact with sidechain and execute ETH-based smart contracts. Yeah. So phase 2, July 14th. And from what I've known from the past 2 summers, is crypto has always been very bullish during the summer. Bitcoin had a run up from like 7,000 to 13 or 14,000 back in 2019, the summer of it was like June to August, somewhere even there. And then 2020, we had DeFi season. So I don't know if Bitcoin really did much during the summer of 2020, but it was like a DeFi season of YFI and YFI forks and meme coins that had really low supply were popping off. And it's so crazy how different this market is. Like, let me show you guys something. All right. This is meme coin, 28,000 max supply, right? $502. But look at this. It was like $8 in August. Went up to 1,400 just a month later, right? This was kind of to be predicted because look how low the supply is, 28,000. I mean, Bitcoin is 21 million. So 28,000 is such a low supply. While YFI had 40,000 supply. So it's even less. And then if you waited for this to crash and go back down to around like 200, you could have bought up a bunch more and then wait for it to go to like 3,800 or 3,000 and then sell. But now it's all the way back down. So this made sense. I understood meme coin like this, even if there's really no like everyone, it's called don't buy meme. Everyone told you not to buy it. I almost bought some, but they told me not to, so and they didn't give me any reason to, so I didn't buy. But that made sense. But nowadays we have things like Shiba Inu coin that has like 1 trillion circulating supply or total supply, and then Safe Moon with like 1 trillion supply, and then Dogecoin with like unlimited supply, and it's like, how are people investing in these coins that have like no like max supply? I don't get it. Meme coin made sense. YFI made sense. All these like YFI forks. I think this was one nice. Check this one out. This has 264 supply. I remember it. Let's see. This thing went from like 1,500 all the way up to 13,000 because of its total supply or max supply. That made sense. Polygon is just a better version of Binance Smart Chain. I don't know. Hopefully not, because I'm really into Binance Smart Chain right now. So it's best to upgrade in the bear seasons. Yeah, it actually is. I mean, think about it. It is best to upgrade in the bear seasons because if you upgrade during a bull market, well, you're going to be locked for another 6 months. And you might lose a lot of value in your crow stake because of the bear market coming up. And crow might have, increased a bunch during the bull market. So you want to wait till the bear market comes, everything like crashes to a certain point and it just starts averaging out at certain levels. And then that's when you want to upgrade. And then that's also when you do upgrade, obviously you'll get more benefits too. And then you'll be safe with your investment more likely. It's less risky to upgrade during a bear market. For the same reason people migrated over from ETH to BSC, people migrated because Ethereum became slow and expensive. Binance Smart Chain is still fast and cheap, so I don't get it. I wish you could add to the debit card stake. I have the green and wish I could get 10% interest on all my crow without sending to DeFi. Oh, I see what you're saying. So you get 10% interest, and then you want to add that to your card stake to get that 10% interest on even more. Okay. So interest on your interest. But people will migrate to Binance Smart Chain to Polygon. I don't know why. Polygon transaction fees make Binance Smart Chain look like you on the ETH network. Or look like you're on the ETH. Oh, looks like you're on the ETH network. Also faster as well. For me, it doesn't matter. It matters more for the projects on it. Like, obviously, you do want it to be cheap and fast, which Binance Smart Chain is cheap and fast. So whether I'm paying like $1 in fees and like 10 seconds for it to go through, and then Polygon's like 2 cents and like 1 second for it to go through, it's like, so what? I don't really care unless the projects on it are like really bullish. It's like Jet Fuel Finance is super bullish. I mean, there's tons of stuff being built on Binance Smart Chain that are like really good. Yeah, I don't know what happened to my blue stacks. I think it just crashed completely. Anyways, this is Jet Fuel Finance. They have just released their Jet Swap. It's like a pancake swap clone. It's a AMA and yield farm on Binance Smart Chain. You can go to their pools. I am staking for all of them. I have mainly Fortress FTS, which is a Venus fork. Fortress, I think it's .lending. Oh, Fortress.loans. All right, so this is their it's lending and borrowing. So you can supply crypto and earn interest on it, like here, supply APY, or you can borrow, and then that's either I don't know if right now, because at one point you could actually earn money on borrowing, but I don't know if this is the borrowing. I think this is the borrowing rate though. Anyways, it says with FTS and without, which by the way, they haven't even launched all their things. And FTS has 10 million total supply, while XVS, which is Venus, has 30 million max supply. So FTS is 10 million max supply, which you can get Fortress FTS on Pancake Swap, Jet Swap, and also Bitmart, which is a centralized exchange. It's at a good deal right now. And by the way, soon they're going to make it to where you can spend your FTS to increase the interest you earn when you deposit, like when you supply. Like, let's say you're getting 10% interest on your USD coin. Well, if you spend your FTS, then instead of getting 10%, you'll get like 12%, depending on how much you spend and, all that. And when you spend it, that FTS will be burned. Same with the borrowing. If you spend a certain amount of FTS, you'll lower your borrowing rate, and that spent FTS will be burned. And Venus is having a lot of issues because Joe Soleto is just look at this. It was literally at $100. That's down to 36 because of the mistakes that Joe Soleto has done, which is the owner of Swipe. He's messed this up bad. Fortress is doing everything they can to make sure that doesn't happen. Like they're learning. It's kind of like learning from Venus's mistakes, in a sense. But Fortress is part of Jet Fuel Finance ecosystem. Jet Fuel Finance literally has everything. It's kind of crazy. They have GeForce, FTS, Jets, and Wings, which all do something different. And they're like the main cryptos that you would kind of know. Which altcoins would you buy during this dip? I'm mainly buying Ethereum and Bitcoin. And I have a lot of Fortress, which I'm staking and earning interest on that and earning Wings. And then I'm selling the Wings for more fuel, which then I make into Jets. It's kind of confusing as you guys have no clue what this ecosystem is, but I definitely plan to make a whole video explaining it into detail. Any crypto you are more bullish on? I am most bullish on Fortress, FTS. This is the one. And as we can see, based on the... Oh, whoa. That's kind of crazy. The interest rate on GeForce is going lower than Fortress. But a lot of people are staking in the Fortress pool. As you can see, the APR obviously gets lowered as more people stake into it. But Fortress had the lowest APR. Now it looks like GeForce is, which GeForce is the same concept as RFI. So you make passive income, like deposited into your wallet. You can actually look at it right here. GeForce is 1 million total supply. That's not the actual price of GeForce, by the way. But it says every transaction is taxed 1% and instantly and passively distributed to all GeForce holders. 0.05% of each transaction is sent to an unlimited staking address for Jets users. The APY is the estimated yield from holding GeForce, GeForce automatic liquidity, and all this stuff. But it's at V2 now, so they actually changed a bit of the tokenomics. I think they made it a lot better. So that's their RFI, like passive income, like holding, where you earn like more GeForce from transactions happening. Fortress is FTS, which is like a lending supply and borrow and lending protocol. And then Wings is really new as they just launched Jet Swap, which is like their Pancake Swap clone, and you can earn Wings. So I don't think it's deflationary. I think it's very inflationary right now, but they do have plans to try and make it more deflationary. It's at $31. It's been as low as like $5 or $10, I think. And I don't know. It's holding its price pretty well. I've been selling all my Wings for more Jets. I like how you can send Crow via users in your phone book on the app and get 10% back in Crow. I can send the shopping money in Crow to the wife and she can pay for the shopping, so we get 30% discount. Yeah, that's very smart. That's awesome. Of course, that's maxed up to I think $5 per month. All right, so I told you guys what GeForce is, what FTS is, and Wings is just the reward token for staking in these pools. And if you're in any farms, you get rewarded Wings. Wings is just like the reward token. It's the newest one. Jets is crazy. I really like Jets as well. And if we look at fuel, which is basically Jets, it's at $87. Yeah, it's down a ton, but I think it's basically bottomed out because it's a really bullish project and bullish like cryptocurrency. It's been as high as $900, $931. I was actually planning on selling it because I bought around right here. Well, right here actually. February 9th is when I bought. It was at $385. I put like a few $1,000s into it. I was gonna sell once it hit $1,000. It was at 931. And I was just waiting, and it kept going up and down, like from 900 to 850, 900, and I think it tested like around 900 like 3 times, and then it finally dropped all the way down. And I sold once it hit 385 again. So I didn't make any money off of that. But fuel, this one's kind of cool. Let's see if we can do it. So it doesn't usually look like this. It's because I'm not connected to the Binance Smart Chain wallet, but I wish I could show you guys. But I guess as of right now, you should be depositing. You can convert your. Okay, here's staking. Man, I can't connect. Come on, I wish I could connect it so I could show you guys. Not connected. Okay, I found the connect button, but it's not connecting. Why is that? Maybe because of the shield. Yeah, I don't know why it's not connecting. I don't know. But fuel, you can stake. Here, I wonder if I can go back into BlueStacks. Draconova, hey, hello. I want to tell you guys about fuel because that's a pretty good one too. If I could just get into it. That's fine. What? Wasn't it Bruh Gaming 1? What? I thought it was Bruh Gaming 1. Oh, I keep accidentally doing a space. I don't need it. Yeah, hack my account, guys. You saw my seed phrase. No, I'm just kidding. This is a completely new wallet with nothing on it. Yeah, every time I click confirm, it just doesn't load. It like glitches out right here. It's annoying. It's funny because Crow moved up more places in the bear market than the bull. That's funny. It went from 48 to 34 in a week. What's your coin price prediction? Short term and long term. For Crow, I don't really have a short term price prediction. Long term, I'd say $1 to $2 by the end of this year. That's what I'm hoping for. Yeah, I wish I had a different way of showing this. But basically, I'll just explain it. So in staking, there is fuel, which you then convert your fuel to jets. It's basically like a 1-to-1 ratio almost. And to be able to sell jets, you actually have to convert it back to fuel and then sell fuel on PancakeSwap. But if you hold jets, you get like a lot of different passive income. And I mean, you can stake your jets in this pool right here and then earn wings. And jet holders also get this like passive income. I forgot what it comes from, but I think it explains it somewhere in here. Let's see. It's really hard to explain. It gives all the detail on this website if you guys connect your wallet, but anyways, fuel, jets, and Fortress. Fortress is a really good one. This is the price of Fortress right now, 461. Look, someone just bought almost 3,000 Fortress right now for almost $13,000 at 461. At this price, they just bought that much. Because they know They know. It was funny though. I think I bought some around here, and then I bought a lot around here because I thought this was the dip right there, and then it recovered, and then it was about to start trending upwards again. I was like, oh, that's a really bullish chart. Like it has a healthy correction right here, like even because it went too high, and now it's starting to go back up already. Like it didn't just crash down to smithereens or whatever. And so I bought a ton right there because each candlestick's a day. So I mean, I'm like 4 days or 5 days in. I'm like, all right, it seems to be averaging around here. I guess I'll start buying a ton. And then it goes down. I'm like, man, I should have waited longer to buy. The names are such memes. Stake fuel to earn jets. Can I use jets to melt beams? I don't really think it's very memes, but if it is memey, that's good because that's what everyone's about nowadays. Like people invest in Dogecoin because it's a meme, like it's a joke coin. That's the people like if Dogecoin wasn't called Dogecoin and it was just called crypto coin or something like that, and it was just a picture of like a gold bar or I don't know, something like just like a regular crypto like icon or something, no one would invest in it. No one would be talking about it. It's because it's a meme, like it's the dog meme, the Doge meme, you know? It's literally the meme. And everyone's about memes nowadays, which is why they invest in it. But for me, I think Jet Fuel Finance is it's really cool how they have their stuff because you stake fuel to get jets. So you basically convert your fuel to jets, and then jet holders earn like fuel and some other stuff and all that. But I like their whole ecosystem because they have fuel, they have jets, they have G-Force, it's Fortress, Wings. Like it's literally all things related to planes and stuff. The Fortress part is a bit less. I don't know what Fortress has to do with planes exactly. Maybe someone else knows. Crypto coin sued for copyright? What are you talking about? There's crypto.com coin, but not literally crypto coin. See, now people would invest in crypto.com coin because of the fundamentals. But imagine if Crow didn't have the debit cards, didn't have a chain that they're developing, didn't have, well, it's going to have projects on it soon enough, and they didn't have like any of their stuff. Like no utility, no fundamentals, just called crypto coin. That's literally it, right? Imagine that. No one would invest into it. Looking to Happy on Binance Smart Chain, Keanu on the Etherscan. I don't really invest in Ethereum projects because the gas fees are too high. And when I remember back in 2020 when I was in and out of DeFi projects because the prices were like going crazy, I spent a lot of money in gas fees, and I'm not trying to do that, especially if I'm going to be moving in and out of projects daily on Uniswap. I'll look up Happy though. Nice. 6-1 NFTs on chain. I thought on chain NFTs this was happened May 20th, 2 days ago. How do you guys feel about Bitcoin maximalists? I do not like Bitcoin maximalists. Swan Bitcoin, very Bitcoin maximalist feelings with everyone who relates to Swan Bitcoin, and the company's very Bitcoin maxi, and it's just they're very like I don't know, very ignorant or aggressive or whatever. Fold also is a bit of Bitcoin maximalist too, which is annoying. At least the people in the Fold Discord are a lot of like Bitcoin maxis. Not all of them, but why was it rejected? Are you kidding me? People actually said no? Why? It's a bug that results in validators unnecessarily waiting idle for 5 seconds between blocks due to timeout being default to 5 seconds. Weird. Only 37% said yes. Do you think the crypto market will go back up? Yeah, we're not in a bear market. It's still a bull market. Just give it some time. Best time, Canis Major Phase 1. No one has really said no so far. Oh, yeah. June 1st. So how come it wasn't May 20th? If it, like, was May 20th when the proposal comes out and then they do it? Because it all has to be done through proposals? That would make sense. Because it was submitted on May 17th. Wow, so on-chain NFT support isn't even here yet. Well, that's even more bullish then. Yeah, for Swipe, I use that Columbia Sender soft shell jacket a lot. I don't use the music hat. I do use the tumbler during winter when I go places and put like hot chocolate in it. The Columbia Urban Lifestyle sling bag, I use the sling bag when I go on hikes. The sports towel I've never used. Computer stickers, I haven't used the stickers. The keychain I haven't used. The t-shirt, well, they gave me an extra small female, so I gave it to my sister. And then the original Levitating Moonlight, I used that. It's pretty cool. I like this package. Yeah. By the way, they're doing a giveaway. If you guys want to go like and retweet and follow Jet Fuel Finance. Ends today, actually, so maybe you still have time. I like this music. It's nice. You guys actually gave some good music recommendation. Look, we're in accumulation phase against Bitcoin. Right here, right? September 2019, all the way to January 2020. We can see accumulation phase, and then eventually right here, after slowly going up, May 15th, skyrocketed against Bitcoin. It's back down. Soon enough, it'll do the same. They also increased the base fee on exchange from 0.1% to 0.4%. So whether you agree with this or not, it will drive up the price of Crow. Yeah, I don't know much about the exchange. I actually still have the swipe box. This box right here, I still have it. I literally have everything they gave me still because I don't want to lose any of it because I think it's rare. It's pretty cool. And I really like the box. I plan on keeping the crypto.com one too. It's pretty cool. You know, for anyone, wait, we can't hear the music. Really? You guys can't hear the music? Can you guys hear it now? I forgot how I fixed the music last time. Are you kidding me? So I've been live streaming this whole time without music? I literally put on Brazilian reggae like you guys asked for. I thought you guys been hearing it this whole time. Wow. Maybe this will do it? Huh. Weird. Desktop audio. Are you kidding me? Is this gonna work? I might have fixed it, maybe. Wow, it was on. No, I didn't fix it. Okay. Huh. I might have needed to restart my stream. I don't think I'm gonna though. But huh. If I do default. Oh, wait, I think it's working now. I might have needed to restart my stream. I don't think I'm gonna though. But if I do default. Awesome. I fixed it. Man, how are you guys watching the stream with no music? You gotta get some music up in here. Alright, we're good to go now. Let's see, how long have I been streaming? An hour? Alright, I'll probably end it within like 30 minutes from now. But, yeah, now you guys can hear the Brazilian reggae now. Good stuff. Great music. You know what I want to do? I want to unstake my CRO and get it to be worth 40,000 or more, and then restake for the icy white. Because then I can own a lot more CRO as I'm bullish on it, right? So it's kind of like sell the CRO for a short amount of time, hoping to increase the value of my crypto, and then buy into the icy white while having a bigger CRO allocation, but getting back the same benefits I used to have. So even though, you know, for people who are grandfathered in, they still might want to become ungrandfathered and then do what it costs now just to own more CRO. That will get, you know, the 10% or 12% interest. Especially since after 6 months, you don't have to wait like 21 days to unlock it or whatever. Hello, so do we double down on Crow and get the icy white? Yeah, exactly. Double down and get the icy white. It's actually crazy. Crow's like down, yeah, down almost half because it was at 25. It's like 12. It's like 12 times 2 is 24. So get out the spliff and a beer. Yeah. Yeah, I don't know if you guys heard that. I opened a sparkling strawberry juice beverage from Trader Joe's. Wasn't a beer. Maybe I'll end my stream early. If Crow goes to 45 cents, I can get the black card. Would you though? I mean, I guess if it's free like that, right? If Crow goes high enough, it's kind of like, why not? But at the same time, wouldn't you want CRO to go a bit higher so then you can stake 400,000 and then have some extra crypto for other things? I mean, I'm hoping that one day, eventually, I'll be able to get the Obsidian Black. Because 8% cash back on literally everything, that's insane. The closest thing I can find to 8% is either going to be the Icy White, 5% obviously, or the block card, right? Or the Get block card. Which is 6%. I've actually been thinking about getting the block card. It's 6%. Where do I go to rewards? Here we go. But there's a $5 fee if you don't spend $750 a month or more, which I no longer will be spending that much a month or more. But even if, because let's say I get 6% cash back with 145,000 turn, which is 145, like 1,508, right? Let's say I spend 500 or even $300 a month times 6%. That's already $18. So even if I pay the fee, that's a $13 profit a month. $200 times 6% minus 5, that'd be $7 profit a month as long as I spend $200, right? Even just $100, obviously that'd be $6, which would be $1 profit a month if I at least spend $100 on this card, which is 1% more than the Icy White. But and it's like, yeah, I mean that's all it gives though. So if you were literally to compare the two, like if someone's like, should I get the Icy White or that card? I mean, it's very situational, but if you care more about the perks and don't care about the cost, then go with Icy White. Because Icy White has so much more perks. Way better perks. This one's a lot cheaper to stake for, and it gives 1% more cash back than Icy White. But obviously that extra 1% does not beat out all the benefits Icy White and Rose Gold give. I would have to unstake from DeFi, but I would probably do it. Yeah. It's like, yeah, it's like a free upgrade, exactly. Yeah, I look at block card a lot, and I don't know, I might get one soon enough. It's only, you know what, mainly because Swipe no longer has a debit cards. That's why I'm thinking about getting a block card one. I don't know, I like having 2 different crypto debit cards just to have options. Because I could use the Icy White just for all my benefits and everything like that, and then use the block card for the 6% cash back. I don't know, I don't think it's metal though. Let me go to it. They have a virtual card, wallet, plastic card, metal card, which has been saying coming soon for the longest time. But block card is becoming unbanked. So I don't know if they're going to get rid of their debit cards as well. I have no clue. Okay, that didn't really help much. Does that mean they're gonna have debit cards or no? Is this a group that actually likes Crow? Yeah. Yeah, Mark, it is. What up, Crow family? Not much. Although I like being able to vote on network and stuff. Do you actually vote? That's pretty cool. Do you think Crow will ever be less connected to how the price of Bitcoin trades? They move ridiculously similar. Yeah, I do think eventually it will break above Bitcoin. But yeah, you're right. They're like side by side, which I find very bullish. Because with Crow, you get all this utility, like Crow rewards and everything like that. Bitcoin is just holding Bitcoin. I'd still say Bitcoin's the less risky one though. But I do think Crow will eventually break above Bitcoin. For like, you know, obviously a certain amount of time. Generic corpo cancer video, what was that? Yeah. That was for block card on becoming unbanked. I mean, I don't know what. Yeah, that doesn't help me figure out anything. Also, one of the main reasons I haven't got Turn is because I don't know where to buy it or how to buy it. Oh, Bitmart. Okay, I could get USDT and send it to Bitmart. Okay, nice. I could do that. 0.009. Oh, nice. Yeah, I could definitely do that. Might do that. It's only up 48% in the year. It actually like skyrocketed to like 2 pennies, and I was like, yeah, I'm not buying it yet. Glad I didn't. It's already down 1 whole penny. Yeah, I guess a lot of people don't like Block Card. I don't know why. Maybe the customer service, or like it's don't have an app, or it's too clunky or something. Maybe that's why. I have no clue. Because I mean, 6% for only like $2,000 staking in turn. That seems like a good deal. It's only like 1 million total supply. I don't know. I don't know what's wrong with them. What's FTX? Oh, an exchange. What does it do? Whoa, it's skyrocketed a ton. Any advice on how to resell NFTs on crypto.com/NFT? I thought I made a video on that, but let me check now. Should be in this video. That's my purchase. Yeah, and then I go into the details of how to sell it. So around like 4:30. It's in this video. That's how you resell NFTs. If you own stake 25 FTX, you get 0 maker fee on their exchange. Oh, that's pretty cool. Yeah, Voyager token skyrocketed to $6 or $7, and now it's back down to $2. It's crazy how much this mooned from like the beginning of this year. 15 cents. Imagine getting in for 15 cents and selling at the top. Like just even say like $6.20, let's just say. And let's say you had $10,000. 300,000 off of 10,000. Let's say you had 18,000. 540,000, $500,000, a little over. Sold at the top. And all it took was like 5 to 6 months of waiting. It's kind of a long time, but not at the same time. Good day trade for free. That's pretty cool. I wonder if they're gonna get rid of turn. I was gonna say maybe now that they're becoming unbanked, they're gonna start doing a lot more advertising and be a lot more active, and maybe they'll skyrocket or something. What's SXP doing anyway? Let's look at SXP. 206. This one's down quite a bit. It's at $5. It's down to 2. Had so many big corrections too. Look at that. Up, down, up, down. Such a weird looking. Look at that chart. It's the weirdest chart I've ever seen. That usually happens with these type of coins like Crow and SXP. This one looks pretty weird too, not gonna lie. Like that. It's a crazy chart. Well, the market seems to be recovering. Down 3%. High volume tether. Oh, a lot of people are selling into tether. All right, well, let's see. It's basically been an hour and 30 minutes. I'm gonna end the stream a bit early since I haven't streamed in a while. It's quite a long time for me right now. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the stream, and new videos will be coming out Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and I'll be streaming every Saturday. That's the plans. All right. Well, I'll see you guys in my video on Monday, which will be my crypto.com welcome package unboxing. All right, on the video now. All right, bye.